Shopee Sloan, Paano umutang. Go to your Shopee app. Click me icon. Click Sloan. Click Activate now. Enter the OTP. ID verification. Click Confirm. Fill up personal info and confirm. Click Start Facial Verification. Application will be reviewed. Click OK. "12 hours later."
12 hours later.
Click Sloan. That's it.
Congratulations.
You can now umutang. So Sloan.
Congratulations.
You can now umutang. So Sloan. You can now umutang. So Sloan. Minimum amount is $2,500. Admin fee 1%. Monthly interest for 0.95%. Click Withdraw now. The money you loan will directly credit into your Shopee Pay wallet. That's it. If you like this video, polls, consider subscribing too. Get more informative video tutorial updates. Thanks for watching.